Hello everyone, this is the product unboxing video for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is the box which comes. Nice box, nice packing, which has your IMEs over here informations. This is how the product looks like. Inside the box, a very thin box, nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the phone now. Alright, here I have, so I'm gonna cut this tape here. Down, and the other part. Right, so it's almost done. Let's see what we have. So we have the phone reflecting my light on the top. And then let's open the box. Cool. So all you see, there is a pin which is for SIM card. And this contains your product manual. Okay, so this comes with your Type-C cable. One more thing, this thing don't come with the fast charger, 45-volt charger. It don't come with it. It only comes with this data cable, which you can connect with your laptop, or if you have a charger, it's fine. All right. And product description. Quick review about the phone, how you will connect it, get connected, and information about it. Okay. And a pin to use for your SIM card. There's nothing else in the box, and this is the phone. Phone looks great. This is your 8 megapixel camera, 40 megapixel camera is on the front. The product description will be in the description section of this video in YouTube, and also you have links from where you can buy this product using my special link. Phone looks fine, smooth, sleek. This is your volume keys, shutter key. Okay, here is your SIM card slot is over here, and your S Pen. This is your pen. Nice. The pen goes here at the bottom. This is your SIM card slot, which you will use this pin and this is your SIM slot. This is how you put your SIM card inside. Okay, there is no memory slot. This phone has 512 gigs memory. Okay, your speaker and your charging cable port. And the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Nice camera. Hope it's better than S21 Ultra. Put it in the bag, and this is the product, and all the things comes with this product. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel, which will motivate me to make more videos and connect you to more products in future. I hope you like it. And in the next video, I'll talk about the camera functions and the feature about this S21 Ultra phone. How it works, how's the system, how's the functions and apps, and what comes with it. And I'll do some live test in sunlight and dark light for the camera. Yeah, here it is. S22 Ultra in the market. It's good in hand, you know, it's good to carry. I don't know, like, yeah, I have a little bigger hand, but it's pretty handy. You can carry, yeah, it's fine. Looks fine. Pretty handy. Not like other people saying you're too big, we cannot control. Yeah, you can actually control. See, my hands are reaching. It's not that big. It's nice and sleek design. Cameras are nice. Looks much better than S22 Ultra. See? Thinner. Phone is thinner and nicer. In the next video, I'll talk about its sound quality, camera quality, and functionality. The description about the phone is in the description section in the YouTube channel. Please do like and subscribe my channel, which will motivate me to make this kind of videos more and more. Thank you.